Consume a balanced diet. A person will look a lot shorter when having a plump body. Not only that, being fit by eating right will make you taller and feel better. Eat plenty of lean protein. Lean protein, such as white poultry meat, fish, soy, and dairy, helps promote muscle growth and healthy bones. Simple carbohydrates such as pizza, cakes, sweets, and soda are the stuff to stay away from. Eat plenty of calcium. Calcium, found in leafy green vegetables such as spinach and kale, and in dairy, yogurt and milk, helps promote healthy bones. Exercise throughout the teen years and in puberty. Getting regular exercise may help you to grow taller during your teen years. Get out and work your muscles for at least 30 minutes each day. Join a gym. Joining a gym will help give you access to a lot of great exercising and muscle building machines. It will also keep you motivated to work out. You'll feel silly if you're in the gym but not exercising. Join a sports team. People who join sports teams can use their natural competitiveness to burn extra calories and hopefully get their bodies taller. The great thing about team sports is that half the time, you don't even realize that you're exercising. Get adequate sleep each night. Sleeping is the time when your body grows, so having plenty of sleep is equivalent to giving your body more time for growth. Get between 9 and 11 hours of sleep per night if you're a preteen or still younger than 20. Try not to stunt your growth. There might not be a lot you can do to increase your height, but you can take several steps to make sure your natural height isn't shortened by environmental influences. Drugs and alcohol are both thought to contribute to stunted growth if they're ingested while you're young, and malnutrition can keep you from reaching your full height, as well. Expect to be in your 20s when you stop growing. A lot of young kids look at themselves and ask, "Have I finished growing yet?" If you're under 18, the answer is probably no. If you haven't stopped puberty yet, then you haven't stopped growing. Try to be thankful that you have a little time to grow taller instead of worrying about how tall you will be. Have a good posture. Always stand straight instead of hunching your back. Spread out your shoulders slightly towards the back. Having a good posture will make you look much taller. Wear dark-colored clothes. Sometimes, looking taller is all about looking slimmer. If you're able to look slimmer, there's a good chance you'll also look taller. Colors like black, dark blue, and forest green can all contribute to looking both slimmer and taller, especially if you go dark on both the top and the bottom. Enhance your height. You can always wear high heels. Avoid wearing flats or flip-flops. Instead, wear shoes with heels.